Hello, my name is Brooklyn Tony, and this is the APX-24 DMR Kit for the Adventure Force Aeon Pro X. Now it has three crucial parts. You have the side prime conversion with the included top cover or dust cover, which has more rail on it. You have a barrel clamp and a front handguard, and last but not least, you have a side folding SIG style stock. Now you can use parts of this independently from each other. The front handguard and barrel clamp can be used independently from everything in the rear. However, to use the top cover, you must have the SIG style side folding stock. Now you might be wondering, why did I turn what is supposed to be a pistol into what's pretty much a side prime rifle style blaster? And I had a few reasons. I wanted something that I could post up on, say, a wall over here or over here and post it up against a wall without having to rack something in front and thus make the whole blaster move while trying to snipe. And thus this thing came to fruition. The side folding stock is helpful because, well, it can get shorter and you can bunch up against it a bit closer in tight spaces. Overall, I think this thing came out really slick. There you go. Really slick looking overall. And it's honestly isn't too bad to build, actually. There's not very many pieces. I mean, the whole front barrel clamp and handguard assembly is 3 pieces. The top cover is all 1 piece. And I think the stock is honestly the most complex out of everything because just how the side folding system works. This uses no heat set inserts, unlike some of my earlier designs. Everything is standard metric socket head cap screws and hex nuts. So that's good. You will need M5, M4, M3, and M2. But Amazon sells a kit with all of those for like $10, so it shouldn't be too hard to source hardware. The only weird hardware that's in this is one small little spring that I got from a Home Depot spring kit, which I would show you, but apparently I don't have over here right now. But it's listed in the printables page that's linked below. Of course, this side prime kit does work. It uses the original screws. It helps hold this top cover on. The stock is necessary for the top cover because one of the mounting points that keeps this thing fastened is to the stock point. It's not to the blaster itself. The stock itself uses the M4 inserts on the N-Strike stock lug to fasten on, so this stock is not going anywhere. It does not use the traditional latch system. I did make it so it is flush and conforms to the blaster's shape. Printing guide is in the printables page linked below. You probably want to see it actually fire. And so yes, you can still do slam fire. How many more do I have? Oh. Of course, it's meant to be used as such. I used a 30 centimeter barrel with this build. Good enough. 30 centimeter barrel with this build, so it sticks out the front of the handguard just a bit. You can put whatever B-car you have. This is a design I'm probably going to release later. It's basically a silly P-car or silly scar that's turned into a B-car that I made longer so you can launch mega darts out the front. Well, if you hold here, because otherwise the air comes out the bearing holes, but that's something else. But yeah, this is the APX-24 DMR Kit for the Aeon Pro X. I hope you enjoy, and I hope I see a few of these floating around on the internet. This is Brooklyn Tony. Thank you for watching.